Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of locked account on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this window here of Telegram and you will enter. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your